Hi everyone, this is Anu Bhardwaj, digital marketer, SEO magician and entrepreneur. So in this channel, till now we have discussed importance of digital marketing, especially in this Corona era. We have discussed about hosting, we have discussed about website creation, then we have discussed about on-page SEO. If you missed any video and like to know about these things, you can see my previous videos. You will get the details there. So now we continue our stream and let us discuss about off page SEO. So SEO are of two kinds, one is on page, second is off page. So what is off page SEO? Off page SEO is somewhat which we do outside our page, outside our website to rank our website. So for off page SEO, what we do link creation. So how we know that how much backlinks you need to rank? You can use any tool like RF or what we say SEMrush. These tools will say you that how many backlinks you require to rank your websites. Now after backlink creation, I like to let you know that what is backlinks. Actually backlinks are link of your website in some other websites. Why it is important? Because after creation of backlinks, Google recognizes your website that this website is an authentic website. That's why he have backlinks in other websites. Now we started backlink creation, but you need to take help from any digital marketer, because if it is done in wrong way, it will tell over your website, it will not work for you, it will work against you. But if it is done in proper way, then it will work for you. Now we will discuss about speed. Download speed is also a factor, so you need to take a proper hosting. For this purpose I will try to give you link in description, but maybe YouTube allow or no, not allow it. If it allows, you will get my recommendation, and if it did not allow, you can go to www.rentingdream.com. there you will get my recommended hosting. Secondly, it will also help you to rank any part of the world or around the globe. So we have learned the backlink creation, the hosting which you need. So we did our SEO. Now one major factor which affects SEO is click-through rate. So what is click-through rate? Suppose 10% visited your websites, then out of those 10%, how many person clicks on your website? That is click-through rate. Secondly, how much time do you stay in your website? This is also a factor, and it decreases your bounce rate. Bounce rate is what people come and go out from your website suddenly. So this is bounce rate. It must be low. Now we have completed our SEO. Now why? Why shall we invest in SEO? So let us suppose that any person A is trying to buy any product B. You are also providing, your competitors are also providing. So if your website is on top pages, then that person can reach you easily. And if your competitor's page is on higher ranking than yours, then if person A require product B, he will not wait for you, and he is not able to search you on internet, so he will buy from your competitor. It vice versa can also happen, that your website is on higher ranking and your competitor's website is in lower ranking, so you will get the revenue. So this is first importance of SEO, that is search engine optimization. Secondly, if your website is ranking higher, then you don't need to invest in search engine marketing, that is SEM. So in the next video we will discuss about SEM. Many times you see that when you open any search engine, you see an ad out like of thing, there is a website on the left side, AD is written. This is ad, this is search engine marketing, and 9 out of 10 people do not click on it because they know that it is a ad. They don't feel secure to click that. Hence SEO is important, so that customers have belief in you, then customer will click on your website. Now the final word of this video, I am an SEO magician. I also provide SEO services. In present I am providing only SEO services, so if you want to get SEO service, you can contact me. Secondly, I also provide consultancy for SEO. Suppose you have an internal team of digital marketing and your SEO team is not working properly, your SEO is not working properly, then you can take my consultancy. It will help you a lot. But listen, I am a complete digital marketer. In present I am giving only SEO services, but very soon I will elaborate, I will expand my business, then I will provide more services. And if you have any query, you can ask me on Quora or LinkedIn, anywhere. I am present on all of the social networking sites. So that's all for the day. In next video again I will explain about digital marketing. The topic of next video will be search engine marketing. Till then, bye, stay safe, stay at home, and fight against this corona by staying in your home. Hi everyone, this is Arun Bhardwaj, digital marketer and SEO expert. Today I am going to share some tips to secure your website. The very first thing, don't keep anything which is useless on your website. Second, keep your website updated. Third thing, there are some agencies which take tender for security of your website. The fees is just 15 to 17,000 in INR. So you can hire them. Further, there is a plugin which you can install. Many times you saw that if you give wrong password to your bank account, it get locked for 24 hours, or as per